Maybe you know someone who's feeling a little bit blue lately. Well, the project we're going to make today is inexpensive. You can get the dishes at the dollar store and jazz them up a little bit with some glass paint. And the paper flowers are really easy to make. You can use them on all kinds of different projects. Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making beautiful polka dot bouquet cups. We are painting white porcelain dishes from the dollar store with glass paint and filling them with beautiful, easy to make paper flowers. This is the perfect gift for somebody who's feeling a little bit down right now. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And like I always say, you know I always love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some polka dot bouquet cups. Using a small, round, high-density foam dauber is the best way to get a perfect polka dot. If you mess up on a polka dot, use a Q-tip to carefully remove the paint, and this way you won't smudge the other polka dots. Follow the directions for curing and baking to make these teacups dishwasher safe. Make these bouquet cups even more special by filling them with small treats or tea. I'm gonna leave a link to everything I used in the description of this video. Just follow the directions for curing and baking so that your cups are dishwasher safe. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I promise to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so you can find them. I think you'll like them, and I will see you next week. Bye.